Comrades, thank you very much. We're here now at the Department of Higher Education and Training. Ours is very clear, comrades. We're here to submit our memorandum of grievances to the Minister of Higher Education, Dr. Nobuhle Nkabane. I think our issues, comrades, don't need us to speak a lot of English, because we've been speaking a lot of English. We've sat in many meetings in our universities. We've sat with university officials where we spoke a lot of English, comrades. We're not here to speak a lot of English, comrades. We want our issues of NSFAS to be resolved, comrades. Yes. This number, comrades, in actual fact, is very convincing, comrades, because our students, as we speak, are writing exams, comrades. And as biggest proponents of academic excellence, it was going to be wrong of us to discharge them from that responsibility, comrades. So I think, comrades, we must applaud ourselves for being here, comrades, to represent thousands and thousands of black students, comrades, who are evicted on a daily basis by business people, who are evicted every day, comrades, by business people who do not have an interest of a black child, comrades. Our students are defunded, comrades. Our students are being evicted on a daily basis. Our students are not receiving allowances, comrades. Their appeals are not approved till today, comrades, and plus questioned, TVET cycle, and all these issues, comrades. The Department of Higher Education knows of these issues, comrades. It's not like they're seated here in this office, they do not know of our problems, comrades. They know of our problems. They know that black students across all universities in